What's up, YouTube? I always showed you guys on the videos when I rebuilt cords and speakers. I showed you the speakers, but I never played them for you. But what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna play them, and I always told you that this JLW7 holds 8,000 watts, and it probably hold more. I ain't finna put 8,000 to it right now. I'm finna put 4,000 to it and show you how it play, and we're gonna see how it works out. I'll show you guys how it stroke. It's built with that 22 gauge. That's what I went back with it in the 22. So we're gonna play it right now for you guys and show you how to play. Like that for 5 or 6 hours. You can push even harder than that and it will not blow. Play it like that for 10 hours and it won't blow. It'll keep harder than that if you put 2 amps together. Go back on the songs a little bit and show you different songs with those W7. I didn't put big watts to this woofer, man. I've been trying my best to blow it. Oh, it still remains with either 8. If you look inside the cord, nice and pretty and still red. Left up. That's what that threadlock will do for you. Threadlock loctite. Threadlock loctite, buddy. You know, no gels don't hold no 4,000 watts. Just alone 8,000 combining two together, you know it ain't finna hold that. It'll play for a while, but it's gonna give. We're gonna push it the whole 10 minutes of the video. We're gonna push it the whole 10, kids. Show y'all it just keep going and going. I'm gonna put it on eBay and sell it. Push it the whole 10, kid. Let it get, it's not even in the box. That means it's gonna get nice and nice and blow, right? Nothing. Nothing. Let's go to some bass. Yeah. We'll let that sit there and play the whole entire time. How about that? All that freaking wind right there, man. Some speakers. Y'all do this with y'all GL. Y'all gonna do it with you, cause it can't take the heat, kid. Y'all can't do it with y'all GL. Know why? Cause it can't take the heat. It cannot take the heat, kid. And I'm out.